good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening. Today is our second week of being parents, and it's been, well, lalo na si Camille. Ako wala masyadong, hindi ako kasing todo full-time compared to Camille. I admit that. Am I guilty? A little bit. Alam ko mga ibang dads, medyo on the same boat siguro tayo. Pero bumabawi naman ako sa household chores, especially sa luto, sa pag-order ng mga pagkain, sa pag-asikaso ng mga kasambahay natin dito. Yun naman yung role ko ngayon. I guess I was talking to my mom yesterday, and I was telling her that my mom, not Camille's mom, well, actually both moms, pero especially my mom, because my mom's not here. Teka lang, ang gulo. I was talking to my mom yesterday, and I was telling her that yun nga, like, I am sort of like doing what she used to do when we were growing up, you know, like marketing sa bahay, training ng mga staff namin, and mga training instructions, blah blah blah. Anyways, okay, so today, kasi nakababad lang kami sa kwarto, di ba? Pag newborn talagang 24/7. Well, si Camille, ako 24. Hindi ako 24, baka 12/7 lang ako. Pero ito, babawi tayo, bibili tayo ng TV kasi nababaliw na kami. So, samahan ako ni Carlo sa pagbili ng TV and sa pagpili ng tamang TV for us. Kasi si Carlo super techie, and mapili ko yung maayos talaga. Kanina sabi ni Camille, mamili ka ng maayos, huwag ka mamili ng, you know, ng half-baked kasi investment rin yan eh. We will use it for the next 5-6 years, you know, or 7 years. Yung iba nga 10. Okay, let's go. Dito na tayo sa Abendsons. Pili tayo ng TV. Ito si Carlo. Tutulungan niya ako kasi ang dami ng mga may OLED, may ano nga, may OLED,
QNED.
Ha?
QNED.
QNED,
And UHD.
UHD. Ito ano to?
OLED. Ayan na po yung QNED.
Ito na yung premium.
Yes po.
Wow. Okay, and then 65 inch. Kung 55, maliit.
Hindi naman. It's okay pa rin siya.
Yung sa bahay namin, 55.
65.
With Makati, 65. Yung sa Dubai, mas mura. Mas...
65 din niya.
Sorry. Kaya nagpasama ako. Baka mali pang TV mabili ko. Baka makabili ako ng 30 inch. Alam mo yung marching orders ng asawa ko, sabi niya, sige, bumili ka ng TV na maganda kasi investment daw yan. We will use it for the next couple of years. Pero hindi daw ako bibili kung... Ano sabi mo kanina?
Hindi kita mabibigyan ng best price. Bibigyan ka ng best price.
Ayan.
For the TV.
Okay. Sige, tingnan natin kung anong best price niya. Doon lang yung basihan eh. 'Di ba? Sa transaction. Kung di pwede na siya lang manalo or ako lang manalo. Kailangan panalo kaming dalawa. Kailangan everyone wins. So, mas marami pa rin features to si
Mas superior pa rin talaga.
OLED. Kasi hindi na kami bibili ng soundbar kasi may bata eh.
Yes.
Kung for the room lang naman,
For the room
small lang, kaya naman ng built-in speaker.
Kaya na ano. Kung dito ako para sa QNED, nag-downgrade ako from sa 5.
Pero konti lang.
Konti.
4K resolution.
Kasi yung isa parang lampas talaga eh. Lampas sa budget.
Hindi siya ganun ka-noticeable.
Hindi ganun.
Ito lang, mas yung black niya, black talaga. Mapapansin mo siya on a bright environment. Pero kung dark naman, hindi ganun siya.
Okay. Dark kami. Kung makita sa YouTube, tapos type mo yung sa JP Anglo. Kasi, pag nanonood ako ng TV sa bahay namin, kasi luma na yung TV namin, sobrang bright yung mga kuha ko or yung mga nasa vlog ko. Pero sa Dubai, walang problema. LG ka. Nakailan ka ng LG?
I think about 3 units.
3 LGs. So dito na tayo, Carl. Hindi na tayo titingin ng iba pa.
Ako, baka maguluhan ka lang.
Ah.
And I think value for money.
Oo.
Diba? I mean, at that price, it's decent enough. It's mid-range TV.
Right.
You're good. For what you want the TV to provide you with.
Sige, patayin na natin. Yan. Mag-decide na tayo. Okay? Magkano tayo? Oh, tama na. Sabi ni Boss Carlo, okay daw to. So, pinadali niya ang trabaho ni RG. RG, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Although si RG mabait, magaling, sa may-ari ng Abençons, okay to. At okay yung aura niya. Maganda yung pagising mo rin siguro, no?
Yes. Good morning ka lang, masaya.
Talaga. Hindi, totoo. Hindi naman sa pambola. Inner happiness ang tawag dito. May iba kasi na parang ikaw pa yung bili ako. Ito actually marunong tumiming to. Marunong sumize up. Hindi rin siya lumalapit masyado. Alam mo na, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Ilang years ka na salesman?
Almost 12 years na rin.
12 years. Okay. So
Lipat-lipat lang din ang branches.
so lahat na klaseng customer na enkwentro mo
Yes,
na.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Lahat na klaseng pang negotiate na
Yes,
nakita mo na.
Yes.
So hindi na ako mag-negotiate. Ikaw na ang bahala sa akin.
Yes.
Dito na tayo magtatalo sa yun nga kasi kailangan ko sundin yung marching orders ni Madam na hindi ko kukunin to kung di tayo makakuha ng magandang deal.
Yes.
RG, anong bibigay mong freebie? Balita ko bigyan mo daw ako ng coffee mug. Wag
Check ko lang po pala kung
wag rin kalendaryo
Yes po.
Ano pa yung wag? Wag rin yung ano pa ba? Baso, pinggan, wag Sabi na asawa ko daw soundbar kung pwede.
Ulo, negative tayo sa sound.
Anong klaseng tumbler to?
Abençon.
Ito ba sa kulay? May iba kang color.
Jacket, pwede? Yung vest nyo, pwede ba? Tote bag and tumbler. Thank you, Abençon. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Sige. Tumbler.
May kasakain.
Okay, punta tayo sa sandwich place. Ano nga tawag dun?
717 Del.
Yeah, I heard it's really good. Liliko tayo dito sa Connecticut Street from Ortigas Ave, right? Ito si Kumbini.
Sige, dyan mo na ipasok.
Teka lang. Mamaya, bibili ako. Kasi hinahanap namin yung binigay niya sa amin.
Ice cream?
Oo.
Ano?
Yung, ano yun, yung mochi.
The mochi.
Last stop na to kasi para hindi matunaw. So, ito siya. I actually started following them. Itong si 717. And actually, yung owner, hindi ko pa siya na-meet pero parang okay yung vibe niya sa social media. Bata pa. Uy, alam mo yung miensa na yan? I used to eat there a lot.
Talaga?
Oo. Nag-open na pala sila ng branch dito. Okay, mabilis na snack lang bago tayo bumalik sa ating asawa. Bought a running shoes because I'm starting to run.
Sa White Plains.
Oo nga no.
Gray Market.
So mga plaka.
Shout out to Jay.
J.
Jay Amante.
So dito siya sa 3rd floor. Google nyo lang 717 Deli sandwiches. Heard good things about this place. A lot of good credible foodies came here. Hello, kumusta? Hi. What's your name again? Lance. Nice golf swing. Hi. My friend Carlo.
Hello, nice
Hi.
to meet you. This is Lance.
Hello, kumusta? Oh, hi. Carlo. Sige, we're gonna get mortadella. Then I want to try the fish and chips.
Yes.
Then
What's your best seller?
Fish and chips, absolutely.
ano nga sabi ni Pepper?
Really, he likes the party nut.
Ikaw Carl, what do you feel like having? Nice spot. Nice vibe. So what inspired you guys to have a nice sandwich place?
Well, it's so hard to get good sandwiches here.
Yeah, tama. Have you guys traveled the world for...
Yes, we like to travel. We do. And usually in the US, I go to Katz's Deli.
Yeah.
And all of those nice delis with the sandwiches.
Nice. Right. You're right though, na we don't have nice, legit sandwiches.
Although there are a lot that are coming up now.
There are, but I guess it takes a sandwich lover to sort of
That's
like
true.
run a
We
sandwich.
are more foodies than anything else.
Yeah, I worked in a sandwich shop.
Really?
Yeah,
Where?
yeah, in Australia, in Sydney.
Talaga?
Yeah, cool sandwiches. We made everything from scratch except for the bread.
Oh, we
So-
make the breads too.
Oh, you guys make the bread? Wow. In this kitchen?
Yes, in that kitchen, a very small kitchen.
All right.
Pasok si Chef, ah.
Okay lang?
Ayan na.
Sure ka? Paalam muna ako. Uy. Wow. Ganda ng vibe ng kitchen nyo.
Wala lang medyo sa rotation.
Oh, it's
Good.
galing. Ganda. Maayos. Cool shirt.
Hello.
You guys sell that?
Yeah, no. The other one, the sandwich restaurant.
Okay.
We have one.
Hi, ate. Okay, I'll let you guys be. Oh, wag ka masyadong pasok sa kusina kasi maliban doon. At saka, hindi, they're focused on their task. So, ginugulo natin sila. Oh, there's a merch section.
Yes, you can have a shirt. Jay?
Ikaw, Carl. Oh, si Lance kasi naglalaro ng golf. Yun nga eh. He has a nice golf swing.
Your mortadella is the supreme, no? With the pacha. Because there's a...
Very personalized. I like it. I like places like this.
Yun muna. Okay.
Oh.
Sige, sige.
Well, I'll eat and run lang kami kasi I need to go back to my wife.
Hindi pa naman.
Nanganak na.
Okay, go
So, thank you. Ano to?
Fish and chips pa.
Damn. Alam mo, weakness ko talaga ang fish and chips. And here in Manila, naghahanap ako ng fish and chips. Legit And this looks pretty solid.
Malt vinegar pa.
Malt vinegar. Alright. Mukhang promising to, no? Quality. Ay! Ano ba? Ala! Sorry. Tingin ng bagong pinggan naman. Sorry Ayoko na sila guluhin sa kusina. Kasi ako yung may kasalanan nito. Ganun talaga pag bagong tatay. Nag-ring lang yung phone ko, kinabahan na ako.
No James. First bite.
Sabay tayo.
The verdict.
Halibut.
Ako siya. Light natin siya, pero may malasa.
Yeah. It's light, airy, crunchy. Wow. Nastig, meron pang nakatusok kung gusto mo ng sauce. Ano to? Parang balsamic ba to? Ano to? Oh, mami. Ano to, ma'am?
Mortadella ay malt vinegar.
Malt vinegar.
Vinegar po, sir.
Oh, balsamic.
Opo, balsamic.
Alright. Parang solid girl, no?
Sarap.
Yeah, this is...
Hey,
look
I
at
have
that.
to say, one of the
Look at that. One of the...
best tasting ano to. It's very promising.
Yeah. I actually would consider this as one of the... I mean, at least yung natikman natin. Ganda ng batter, fresh yung isda. Halibut. tanungin natin si Lance. Parang halibut yung gamit niya. Halibut. At least
Very, very light seasoning lang kailangan.
yeah. Tsaka sa labas na yung lasa, no? It's good, it's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you!
Love it.
Mm.
Ang gusto ko na hindi nagka-crumble yung ano. Diba? Normally when you bake,
I'm always on the lookout for a good fish and chips place here in Manila. How long have you guys been open?
A year? Well, over a year now.
Okay, I'm gonna try this, girl. I'm so
oh
curious.
yeah.
Hey, look at that. Buttered, then griddled. Tama ba? Dissect natin.
It's 200 grams, 80-20 beef patty.
This is quality sandwich.
Thank you. We make that bread too.
How's the bread? Good.
Amazing. Para siyang,
It's a brioche loaf.
yeah, I was just gonna say.
We like butter.
Yeah, and there's nothing
Nako.
wrong.
Perfect guy.
And there's nothing wrong with a little bit of fat every now and
I
then.
know, right?
Solid Japes.
Masarap to with Tabasco.
Oh, we have. Well, you can try the one we make, and we can also have Tabasco with it.
Sakto to mamaya pag
This
bago
is-
yung TV.
Yan.
This one is homemade, this one is
Oh,
Tabasco.
let's try homemade. Actually, so when I saw Pepper's post,
Oh,
Pepper Tihanki, ano nga yung IG name niya? Pepper
same, exactly pepper tihanki.
When I saw his post about this place, so syempre pinuntahan ko. Then dinok ko na yung si Lance, and nakita ko na yung golf swing niya. Then parang mafe-feel mo na parang, ooh, these guys they're passionate in what they're doing.
We're very serious about that.
Even like, kahit feed lang, kahit social, di ba, kahit sa feed mo lang, ma-feel mo na somehow
Thank
what
you.
they're about. And I was so curious. So sakto, Carlos from San Juan.
Oh,
And then
okay.
I just bought a TV for our nursery. para hindi kami mabaliw. I've always wanted to come here.
Yay! I'm glad you're here, you guys.
Better with Tabasco.
Yeah. Kasi may zing and yung may acid ng hot sauce.
Oh, yeah.
At saka I like this hot sauce kasi
It's
fruity.
purely labuyo yan.
Wow.
Bro, why is it like, it's kind of fruity.
Yeah, well, it's, we ferment that. So
Okay.
it takes a while for it to like really develop the flavor.
You're gonna love this, guys. I'm happy to be here.
Yay!
Promise. I mean that.
We're happy also.
We're happy, super happy.
You'll see me often.
Yay!
Parang comfort food na.
Okay, Carl. So makuha yung reaction mo dito.
Dito pala, cheese pala pala. Ano eh.
Oo. Yung amoy. Yun.
Dalawang pato meron for dining.
Wow. Amazing.
Wow. Matagal ko na to nakasama. Minsan lang nag-amazing to.
Saka yung bread.
This is San Juan.
I love the bread. I love the bread.
Thank you.
Okay. Now,
With hot sauce.
Okay.
it will bring it to another level.
Okay.
Oo.
Interesting.
Yeah. It's not
It's not that spicy.
Yeah.
Not that hot.
I love it.
The flavor.
You guys sell the hot sauce?
Yes, what do you know?
Okay.
My sister makes that.
Pwede.
Pwede, no? Pwede, no? Pag uwi ko sa bahay, may dala akong hot sauce, hindi na ako mapapagalitan.
Yeah.
Kasi si Camille si Camille travels with Tabasco.
Are you serious?
Oo.
Talaga?
Yeah, even on the plane.
Ang galing ng pag-blend nung taban. It complements them.
Yeah. Sarap, no? Take out ka rin para kay Katie.
Look at that. Yung juice. Dito sa winner yung bread.
No.
Sobrang winner yung bread.
Okay. Uwi na tayo. Parang nagigilty ako na si Camille ang lahat. And Ito ako. Well, bumili ako ng TV and yun, so, nag-insert ng kain ng konti. Pero syempre, parang gusto ko rin na hindi lang siya lahat. Sa ngayon, siya kasi lahat eh. 30 kilometers per hour. Yung average ni EDSA parang nasa 5 kilometers eh, no? Ito, if you have this on EDSA, happy ka na. Hey Lance, first of all, thank you so much for giving us great food, great vibe, great service, great product you guys have. And to Malu, thank you for being so gracious. Yeah, I gotta say, one of the best fish and chips place. And also, oh shoot, mali yung lane ko, patay. I'm supposed to make a U-turn. Come on, move. Home sweet home. I think we're okay. I think we'll be fine. Not too long. So, bilisan lang natin tong ating outro. Good day. Got a good deal. Thank you, Abinsons. Had a nice meal from Sandwiches by 717 Deli. Lance, Malu, thank you. Amazing fish and chips, guys, and great sandwich. If you're a sandwich lover, definitely go to this place. And balik tayo sa TV. I really wanted to get the other one, kaso lang it was beyond our budget. Though, you know, syempre priorities na ngayon. Iba na. Even yung kain ko kanina, alam mo yun, kinikwenta ko na lahat, syempre naman, di ba? Pero yeah, I'm sure yung iba sa inyo can completely relate and understand. Maybe next time. Pero for now, this will do. No, this is more than enough. And also, I guess I'm just grateful that, sabi nga ni Camille, sabi niya, when you get something, get the good kind na. Kasi it's an investment. We're gonna use it for a while. So, wag na yung half-baked, kumbaga. And also, we're also investing on our sanity, di ba? Ayaw naman natin mag-away-away tayo kasi pag nag-away-away tayo, bad vibes yan sa bahay, bad vibes yan sa baby or sa ating mga kasama sa bahay. So, yun. But anyways, I don't know what I'm feeling. I'm still feeling a bit dazed. It's really still not sinking in. Though every time I see my kid, I still pinch myself. He's so good looking. Baka bias na ako kasi ako yung tatay. Pero mana talaga siya sa nanay, guys, yung itsura niya. Pero maganda rin kasi si Camille. Maganda rin pogi rin yung tatay niya. Baka pag lumaki ng konti, baka mag-iba. Araw-araw ko sinisilip yung bata eh. Kamukha ko na ba? Anyways, alright guys, cheers. Pasalubong for the missus.